Most famous thing in gold right now is this triangle chart pattern breakout. You can see clear breakout and price trading outside the trend line. But based on Elliott wave theory, so in this triangle chart pattern, wave E is missing. Based on price action, you can say triangle chart pattern, but Elliott wave theory not saying this is valid triangle chart pattern. And this is the reason you can say this level, big static horizontal resistance level. This is last. Once this level break out, no limit how high gold can go. So more trader must be waiting for breakout of this level, and one by one all of those buyers will buy more. Because last week COT they increased their position big way. So you can say they are buying breakout. Since Elliott wave theory does not say it is triangle chart pattern, so from this low, whether we say WXY wave, right now we are in wave Y. If 2720 level breakout, then wave Y projection are, if new all time high come, 2838. So these two are your big static horizontal resistance level. If breakout, then trade based on these two level. Since election over, this can be big sideways range between support and resistance level. So we have to watch and market reaction in upcoming time, because this week you have very big news. First of all, you have Davos speech. So from big hedge fund to big policy maker, all of them will go to Davos and they will give a speech, and watch carefully entire week starting to end. So their word, their speech can create big market action. Even if they do not trigger market action, but narrative will shift in big way. Because theme will be same, everyone will be talking Trump's second term. What Trump will do after inauguration. Since this is FOMC blackout period, so all action depends on political speech. All big player, small to biggest player, all of them will give a speech this week. So you can say biggest political week. So Monday you have Trump inauguration. Once he return to White House, he will have all the power to implement all of those tariffs. And this recent bullish move in gold looks like somebody is hedging for political chaos before Trump implement those tariffs. So you can see this is latest comment from Trump that old trade war right now looks like peaceful trade relationship. Same country, same president, but second Trump, everything changed. So that is the power of politics. And on Monday, more chaos is coming. So this week will be all about Trump, what he say after return to White House. But you as a beginner trader, better focus on this 2720 static horizontal resistance level. Once this level break out, no limit how high gold can go. But still 2838 can be possible resistance. And support can be this trend line tested 3 times. If you see weekly time frame, then we have this trend line, price testing this trend line again and again. As long as price trading above this trend line, technically it is bullish. If trend line break down, then you can say bearish, but before that technically bullish. And big buying flood from COT last week. Another reason you can say why traders are buying in this sideways range. In last 3 years, every time yield collapse after making high, there was big bottom in gold. And fiscal and monetary policy, they have magical relationship. For rate cut to work, somebody need to decrease debt. Without that policy, debt decreasing, rate cut cannot work. So buyers may be front running that collapse in yield, but what about debt decreasing? Because old Treasury Secretary, before she leave Treasury Department and increasing debt all the time, she is saying debt will hit the limit. While new Treasury Secretary, they are ready to decrease debt if they get support from Trump. There is a many book especially written for election politics. If you have read this book, then if you remember December 2020, after election, when it became clear Trump lost election, still he signed $1 trillion fiscal policy. At the same time, writer asking why he is doing now after losing election. Now same to same, Biden is doing December 2024. Before he leave office, they have increased the debt almost to the limit. So this is election game, political war, same problem. So after Trump inauguration this week, if new administration do something to decrease debt and stop talking, then this can be bad. Or if they repeat same like Biden, then it can easily break out. Because that last week speech from new Treasury Secretary, you can say fiscal hawk are back. Because I think if you read political history, those great book, that's mean horizontal line, if they try to decrease, then downtrend, that is bad for gold. If they hint, they will immediately start increasing debt, then gold can easily break out. Because previously only monetary policy was hawkish, now you have fiscal policy going in hawkish direction. So for weekly swing trader, watch carefully this trend line, bullish technically of this trend line. Daily time frame, WXY wave, right now we are in wave Y. If 2720 level breakout this week, because of Trump, 2838 can be next big resistance. But this price area near Friday closing, this is very big resistance and price failed multiple times. If correction comes from this area, then trendline retest will be first level to watch. Gold H4 time frame for intraday scalper from this FOMC low, wave W subdivided into AVC, counter trend correction X, 60% retracement. Then buying in advance before Trump chaos, before he implement all the tariff starting Monday. Then wave Y again subdivided into AVC. And if you see wave Y projection 100%, you saw big dump before price hit 38% projection, 27, 28. That is above big static horizontal resistance level. You can see how many times price tested this area. So either price make big correction before breakout or breakout then make correction. But on H4, this 2720 area, this is your very big static horizontal resistance. Until this level does not break out, FOMO buying for $3,000 will not begin. And for support, this possible parallel channel. If lower trendline retest, then that can be first dynamic support level. So trendline only support level and this static resistance only resistance. But resistance is super clear, static and big one. For new buying entry, please at least wait for breakout. After breakout, everything will be clear. News will come starting Monday this week. Trump inauguration, his speech, and all the Davos speech. What hedge fund community thinking about Trump's second term? So first, Trump will say something, then all the hedge fund will say something, then market action will start. Or you can say above this resistance level, gold bullish, below this resistance level, gold bearish. This week is all about Trump. You can say Trump is news and news is Trump. Gold bullish, if this level break out, gold technically short term bearish as long as price trading below this level.